Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about create and alter command in SQL. So let's start our new video of SQL series. So my database is practice TV. New query. Now I am creating one table name as countries. Create table countries. Now I am adding columns to this table. Country ID, integer, primary key, identity, 1, 1. So I'm making my first column primary key, and I have written identity 1, 1 for auto increment so that I don't have to insert country ID each time. Country, my second column is country code, integer, country full name, varchar 50, country short name, varchar 10. That's it. Now I'm executing this query. Query executed successfully. Now I'm selecting this table, select static from countries. So my table is successfully created. You can see here it is showing me in result columns country ID, country code, country full name, country short name. But it is not showing me any data because I have not inserted any data right here. So for inserting data I am using insert command, insert into countries, country code, and country full name and country short name. Values 001 because country code is integer, that's why I have written numeric value. Country full name Pakistan, country short name Pak. Now let's execute this query. One row affected. So now it is showing me some data. Country ID 1, country code 1, country full name Pakistan, and country short name Pak. So now we are moving to alter command. Now let's say I am altering this table. Country, alter table, countries. I am adding one more column in this table. Add country, currency, varchar 50. Command completed successfully. Now let's see. So country currency column is added in countries table. Obviously its value is null because I have not provided any currency to this table. So I am providing it now. Update countries, set country currency equals to pkr where country id equals to 1. So you can see here country currency is updated. Now country currency is pkr, so it is showing me pkr. So now let's say I don't want this column country currency. I want my original table back with 4 columns: country ID, country code, country full name and country short name. So I will delete this column. I will eliminate this column, and how I can do this? Alter table, countries, drop column, country currency. Now let's select static from countries. Now I'm back to my original table with 4 columns: country ID, country code, country full name and country short name. So that's how we use create and alter command in SQL. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you, especially for beginners. Please like my video and share this video and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.